I said to the wife, come on, it's time we went home. So we went home, got into bed, and I put the TV on, and the soccer was on. I thought, oh, I'll watch this. And it got to half time, and as you do, I'm flicking through the channels, and I found this porno movie, and I started watching it. And after about 10 minutes, I said to the wife, I don't know whether to carry on watching this or switch back to the soccer. She said, carry on watching this, you know how to play soccer. So I went to sleep in that well-known marriage position, back to back. Middle of the night, there's a noise downstairs, a door creaking. I woke up, I thought, what's it? I woke the wife up. I said, do you hear that noise downstairs? She said, no. I said, listen. I said, there it is again. She said, it's a burglar. He's going to steal the computer, the TV, the stereo. He's going to come up here with a baseball bat. He's going to smash you on the head. He's going to rape me, smash me on the head, drag the pair of us downstairs, lock us in the boot of our own car, drive it in the middle of the bush, pour petrol over it, set it alight, and we'll never be seen again. I said, all this you can tell from... She said, go and see who it is. I said, no. She said, when I married you, I thought you were the bravest man in the world. I said, so did all my mates. Go and see who it is. So I went downstairs, I walked in the living room, and there's a bloke stood there like that. I said, what do you want? He said, I'm looking for money and jewellery. I said, hang on, I'll switch the light on, we'll both have a look. Came home from work the other night, I walked in the bedroom, I opened the wardrobe door, there's a bloke stood there, stark naked, like that. I said, who are you? He said, I'm a moth catcher for the council. A moth catcher for the council. Yeah. I said, you've got no clothes on. He said, oh, the little buggers.